Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi, we bought this digital otoscope from Amazon, and I want to show you how it works. So we downloaded the app that they suggested on from the Play Store, and when you plug it in, it comes up that USB attached. Now what I like to do before I look at anything, I like to adjust the light. There's a thing here you can adjust the light, so you turn it on and off. Now you see I've got this cone thing on it, but the first thing I usually do is I usually make sure that I'm looking, I have it turned so that I'm looking straight up and down. So see there, I turned it, there. Now that's straight up and down. So then when it goes into my ear, see, you can see I have scar tissue. It's a wonderful mess in there. But this has been very helpful because we have a daughter that gets frequent nosebleeds and stuff when we check out her nose and make sure she's okay. And just a couple months ago, I decided to check her ears and at the same time, and realized that she had shoved an aquarium rock in her ear, and we had to go to the pediatrician and have it removed. So I'm really glad that I had this. It works really well. You have different stuff on this app that you can take a picture. You can flip it. It's all. There's all kinds of, there's some ads if you don't buy the, the pro version, but it's really not that bad. You can also record as you're doing it or do a snapshot. So if you wanted to send a picture of the inside of your ear to the doctor, it makes it really convenient. I really like it, and it really works well. Thanks.
So this is my review of the Anykit earwax removal tool. So that's the box it comes in, and I've been pretty impressed with it so far. Setup's super easy. It's got USB and it's got micro USB, so that's pretty sweet. Setup's super easy. Just plug it into the USB. It turns on. Then you just go to your camera app in Windows, and it comes right up. It comes up on the little camera. I've found that the best tip for just viewing is this little black guy, little black tip, and I'll try to get a, if you go here, you can just see straight in, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but that's actually my ear canal. Yeah. So yeah, I would recommend this product. I've gotten multiple pieces of wax out with it, and yeah.
Super easy to use, not big and bonky, bright light. Just hook it up. Do skin, do pores. It's hard to see on my video because of the light glare. But it really does have great picture quality.
All right, so this is it. Comes in this nice little box here that you can use to store it when you're not using it. Has a little strap. And there's the scope right there. It comes with the different attachments on it and USB. I hooked this up to my MacBook. It worked really well. You just use the video viewer on MacBook. And then it comes with different tips. So you can clean out your ears. And there. I don't know how the doctors do this. It seems like sometimes they just know exactly where to put the tip or how to put the tip. But it was fun playing with it, and actually was able to get some earwax out, so yay.
Hello, this is my review of the Anykit Otoscope, and the reason why I recommend this device is because it saves me a lot of money as far as I don't have to take my 10-year-old son to the pediatrician repeatedly because one of his ears constantly gets clogged with earwax. So I'm able to clean them at home, and it's fairly easy to use. You can use the otoscope with your phone or your laptop, but I prefer the laptop because it has a bigger view of so I can see better. And it comes with all these little side items, and it's got a manual. It tells you how to download the software, and fairly easy to use.